Hello kids! Let's learn some colors. Brown color, orange color, blue color, gray color, purple color, yellow color, red color, dark blue color. Now let's draw the shapes. Circle, circle, semicircle, semicircle, right angle triangle, right triangle, square, square, heart, heart, parallelogram, parallelogram. Now let's color these shapes. Orange color, orange color, olive green color, olive green color, marigold color, marigold color, green color, green color, brown color, brown color, navy blue color, navy blue color, circle, semicircle, right triangle, square, heart, parallelogram. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.